Xiaomi unveils 13 Pro co-developed with Leica. Xiaomi India has unveiled at their latest flagship smartphone, the Xiaomi 13 Pro, co-engineered with Leica. Xiaomi's latest phone promises to deliver a novel photography experience to its users. The device offers Leica professional optical lenses, as well as cutting-edge computational and software capabilities that create a truly authentic Leica experience. This device also boasts premium features such as the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, 120Hz 2K LTPO 3.0 E6 AMOLED display, and lightning-fast 120W hypercharge technology. Every aspect of Xiaomi 13 Pro's camera system, from hardware and image quality to UI or UX design, has been created in collaboration with Leica to deliver a pro-grade smartphone photography experience. The smartphone is kitted with a triple camera setup featuring Leica optical lenses. The Leica Variosomicron 1.19 to 2.2 or 1475 ASPH camera system on Xiaomi 13 Pro covers focal lengths from 14mm to 75mm and consists of a 23mm wide-angle main camera with an ultra-large 1-inch IMX989 sensor, a 75mm floating telephoto camera, as well as a 14mm ultra-wide-angle camera. By adopting a DSLR-level internal focusing technology, the smartphone's new 75mm telephoto lens utilizes a floating lens designed to achieve a focal range from 10 cm to infinity. Xiaomi 13 Pro offers a wide range of detailed camera setting options. The Master Lens system, a software feature, provides great focal length and depth of field for capturing perfect portraits. Users can also select two distinct photographic styles, Leica Authentic Look and Leica Vibrant Look, offering aesthetic possibilities with images maintaining accuracy and offering moderate saturation. The smartphone allows manual adjustment of shooting parameters in Pro mode. Xiaomi 13 Pro supports 10-bit RAW DNG camera and color profiles created by Adobe, leaving professionals greater post-editing room on Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Lightroom. The device allows users to create in Dolby Vision with vivid colors, sharp contrast ratios and rich details, which capture 4K Ultra Night videos and offer Hyper OIS video stabilization. Xiaomi 13 Pro is powered by a Snapdragon and Gen 2 mobile platform with enhanced graphics processing through a GPU performance and power efficiency improvement of 49% compared to the previous generation, while CPU performance and power efficiency is improved by 47%. The device also offers Wi-Fi 7 support with the Qualcomm Fast Connect 7800 mobile connectivity system. Xiaomi 13 Pro's high-band simultaneous HBS multi-link technology allows for multiple and simultaneous 5 GHz and 6 GHz connections and is capable of realizing ultra-high speeds of up to 5.8 gigabits per second, along with reduced latency and great network capability. The device houses a 4820 mAh battery. It supports 50W wireless turbocharging along with 10W reverse wireless charging. The Xiaomi 13 Pro 5G is available at 79,999 rupees in two color variants, ceramic white and ceramic black, featuring a 12GB plus 256GB variant in India. Lexar CF Express Gold Cards. Lexar has announced the launch of the world's fastest Lexar Professional CF Express Type A Card Gold series in the Indian market. According to Lexar, The card has been developed with an aim to help capture high-quality data and cinema-quality 8K videos, and has been designed to address the growing needs of professional photographers, videographers, and the creators. With a rated video performance guarantee 400, VPG 400, the CF Express Type A card has a minimum write speed of 700 megabytes per second and a read speed of up to 900 megabytes per second, making it ideal for high-speed continuous shooting and stable video recording. The card is highly durable against temperature extremes, shocks and vibrations. The cards are available in 80 gigabytes, 160 gigabytes, and 320 gigabytes capacities, and features a PCI Express Gen 3x1 interface for smooth and high-speed capture of high-quality images and 8K and 4K 120 FPS video. Lexar offers a limited lifetime warranty for the card. The 80 gigabytes variant is priced at Rs. 17940, while the 160 gigabytes version carries a price tag of Rs. 28100. The 320 gigabytes capacity version is priced at Rs. 56250. Insta360 Flow with AI tracking. Insta360 has unveiled their latest device, an all-in-one tool with built-in selfie stick, tripod and power bank. Christened Insta360 Flow, the new smartphone gimbal uses AI auto-tracking to follow you or your desired subject, while a 3-axis stabilization delivers ultra-smooth shots. For our first smartphone gimbal, we wanted a device that goes beyond the basic functionality of a gimbal and offers a whole new way to film moments on your smartphone. Powered by our AI technology, honed over years of research and development, the Flow tracks, stabilizes and edits content for you, said J.K. Liu, founder of Insta360. Whether you are running after your kid or traveling to the next stop on your bucket list, Flow's mechanical stabilization guarantees shake-free shots in any scenario. It excels where a smartphone's electronic stabilization often fails, such as filming in low light and when zooming in. Flow's stabilization and convenient handheld design also means creators aren't limited to simply setting up the device in a stationary position to track themselves. Flow's gimbal design paired with Insta360's leading AI tracking technology Deep Track 3.0 enables Flow to follow subjects in real time, rotating to follow the movement of the subject and framing shots automatically for creators. Flow's person re-identification continues to track the same person throughout a recording even if they are blocked from view, and all-angle tracking continues tracking as the subject's shape changes. The device features zoom tracking, slow motion tracking, and even live mode for tracking while video calling or live streaming in another app like FaceTime, Instagram, and TikTok. It also features tracking recovery that allows the device to keep tracking the subject even if it goes out of frame by zooming out or following the direction it is moving. For a truly automated shooting experience, solo creators can even set up the tripod and use gesture control to prompt Flow to start tracking hands-free. The Flow's selfie stick extension rod extends to 215 mm for better selfies and cinematic low-angle shots. The built-in tripod extends from the handle, allowing creators to set up Flow to film themselves or capture a creative effect like motion time-lapse or 360 photo. The device is powered by a 2900 mAh battery, which can even charge a smartphone while recording. A built-in cold shoe helps you to seamlessly add a mic for leveled-up audio. The Insta360 app provides AI-powered shooting and editing tools including Shot Genie, which will recommend shooting techniques according to the scene. Over 80 templates are available. Other modes include panorama, time shift, motion time-lapse, and dolly zoom. The Insta360 Flow is available in India at an MRP of 17,990 rupees.